Today we're going to review over the four major macromolecules, which are going to be categorized as carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids, and finally, proteins. For each of the four macromolecules, there are four categories we're looking at. With the carbohydrates, we are going to be looking at the elements, monomer, polymer, and the function. The elements for carbohydrates are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, where our monomer is going to be considered a monosaccharide or a glucose. The polymer can be multiple things, which will be considered a polysaccharide. Cellulose, glycogen, and starch are examples. And the function of carbohydrates are going to be to provide quick energy as well as serving as fuel for life. The second macromolecule are the lipids, which are going to be composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen as well. Their monomer is a fatty acid, and the polymers can be fats, oils, or waxes, and a couple of functions: long-term energy storage, insulation, protection, as well as cellular construction. The third macromolecule are the nucleic acids. The nucleic acids are going to be composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. The monomer is a nucleotide, which is made up of three parts: a sugar, a phosphate group, as well as a nitrogen base. Our polymers will be a DNA and an RNA, and the function of those will be to store and transmit genetic information. The fourth and final macromolecule are the proteins, which are going to be composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. The monomer being an amino acid, where the polymer is going to be a polypeptide chain or polypeptide chains. The proteins are going to have the most functions. They will support the immune system as antibodies, speed up chemical reactions through process of enzymes, construction where they build muscle and bones, and they will also serve as growth hormones. This is a Logical Llama. Have a amazing day.